In this video, I'll show you how to enter safe mode on your PS5. So it's very easy. First thing, we need to turn off the PS5. So take your controller and we'll go over here where you see the power button. If you don't see the screen, don't worry. Let me just show you. If you're already logged in into a profile and you want to shut down your PS5, you can click the PS button on your controller. This menu will open down below and we need to go all the way towards power. Select power and select turn off PS5. Okay, just give it a few seconds until the screen is completely black and your PS5 does not make any sound. Okay, perfect. Now, how to enter safe mode. You need to keep press on this power button. You're gonna hear the first beep of the PS5 turning on, but do not release the button. Keep it pressed for another 10 seconds until you hear another beep. Once you hear that second beep, remove your finger. My PS5, I have removed the beep because I found it very annoying, so you won't hear the first one once I click the button. Let me demonstrate. So I'm pressing at this moment. Usually you would have heard a beep, but I'll keep pressing. Okay, I hear the second beep and I remove my finger. Now, just let's take a look at the screen here. They'll ask you to connect your controller, but with a USB cable. Take the USB cable that it came in the box. If not, like me, I lost it, so I just took a normal USB Type-C to USB Type-A. I'll connect one end over here and the other end over there. Once you've done this, press the PS button and you're gonna have a menu appearing on your screen. This is safe mode. So from here you have multiple options. I won't go through all of them because they're self-explanatory. So if you want to restart, click restart, change video output, repair console, etc. To click restart PS5 here and it goes away by itself. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.